Welcome to the ebookGenie training video series. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to use AI section in ebookGenie. Go to left side menu and click on AI content. Now you are on AI content section. Here you can search your desired content using our AI content finder. Just use your desired keyword. And just choose the language, variation, and creativity level you want to create. Click on search and your content is ready. You can either copy it or download it and use it in your desired place. Thanks for watching the video.